What's good, everyone? Today we're gonna be working on my grandpa's car again, and this time I'm gonna try to restore the car ish. Like, I'm gonna do the best I can. So today we're gonna be obviously just gonna be detailing the car as well. We're gonna wash the car, we're gonna clean the interior. The interior is hectic for sure. Clean up not the taillights, the headlights. We're gonna replace the rear taillight, the one that was busted in the previous video. If you guys saw that, I'm not sure if I included that in that video. And then we're gonna fix the front fender. So we're definitely gonna be replacing this taillight as well. You can see how busted this thing looks. You can see all the tape residue right there coming off. We got a replacement one from a junkyard. This was only about $22, which is such a good deal. And I took some light bulbs too. And then, oh yeah, I forgot. We're gonna be zip tying this part. True static guy will understand that. This fender bender right here is pretty big. I'm gonna do the best I can for this. So I'm gonna probably use a pry bar, a crowbar. If anything, I'm probably gonna take it off and hammer it out from the inside if possible. I'm gonna try doing that. But anyways, we're gonna get started. There should be at least like 6 to 8 bolts in the back for this taillight, so we're gonna kind of have to remove some grip. And this thing is not gonna budge. Hey, look at that. All right, it looks like we need to remove these two. That was perfect. Perfect. There you go. Slowly but surely. Plastic. Actually, I think I just do it this way. Let's go underneath here. There you go. There you go. This just has to come off so we can get access into here. Perfect. And then we gain access right here. There should be a bolt right here. One right here. One right here. One right here. One right here. Here. There. And it should be an 8mm. So I'm gonna try to get this out off of camera. Alrighty. So everything's all disconnected. The bolts are off, and we should just pry it off technically. There you go. Let's see. Oh my god, this thing. Damn, how much tape did he put on this shit? Oh my god. Holy smoly. Look at that. Is this supposed to be like this? This is tab? Oh, okay. Let's get a mallet and there you go. Damn, dude. This thing is dirty as a motherfucker. We should just be able to just slide it in. Just line it up. Okay, let's see. Oh, wait. Forgot one more. Got this one. Put that right there. There you go. Looks like new. And this one as well. There you go. Okay. Let's check the emergency lights. Oh, where is it? Right here. Okay, see, the front is working, which is good. Luckily that side is still good. Working. Oh my god, I just realized this one's clear and this one isn't. Uh-oh. I did not notice that. What the fuck? So that light isn't working. Yeah, it's not working at all. Damn. Okay, so we know that emergency light isn't working. This is fog lights. Okay, those are working. Okay, as long as they're fixed, whatever. And then the brake light. This is how I check the brake light. If you are doing this a one person job. Like that. Okay, but what is this light for? I'm so curious. What is this light for? So I finally got it to work. It was just the light bulb issue. And it's working perfectly. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything back. And then we should be set with the tail light. So I have an idea with this section, since this portion of the quarter panel is very huge. So we got a screw hole right here for that indentation. So this was what it came out with. So I decided to use a self-tapper with a longer one, and then we could just go ahead and just screw it in right there. But by pushing the bumper up, and then we can lock it into place right here. So I'm assuming it's either right here. So let me mark it somewhere right here, right there. Okay, that kind of looks sturdy. Okay. Yeah, that looks like it's not going anywhere. So I just need to fix this side. So this side's secure. Okay, cool. And then you just get a zip tie. So we're just gonna feed it through in here first. Just like that, and then through this hole. But we're not gonna tighten it yet until we get this screw on. Okay, so that should be tightened. And then, yep, there you go, it's all secure. Alrighty, so I'm pretty much done with the freaking car. You know, I did the best I could. It's not perfect, although this is an old car. This car is super dirty, super wrecked up. There's no point of fully restoring it or anything like that. So this is just minimal restoration. So I got the headlights done. It looked 10 times better than it was before with all the yellow hazing. Fender, it's semi-fixed, but it looks better than before. Or it looks worse, I can't tell. To you guys. You guys put that down in the comments below about how I fixed this. Yeah, it looks like it got worse, but it looks better. You know, it's popping out a lot more. Gave the car a quick wash. looks immaculate on this side. This side just looks good. The other side is just questionable. You know how everybody, when they take pictures, they always have that good sides? Well, this is the TL's good side. And then get the rear bumper fixed temporarily or minimal. Stag boys will understand this. Taillights fixed. And I can't believe I got the wrong one. Why is this side chrome? I never knew this side was chrome. Or just in general, they had chrome taillights. Just overall in general, I'll fuck with these more than these. This one looks like the Lexus ES300's 2001 taillights. This one looks so much cleaner. I'm not gonna lie. Well, overall, looks good. Looks good. My dad told me not to do the interior because there's no point because my grandpa's gonna still mess up either way. So there was no point of cleaning that. This car was a headache overall, just working on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of me minimally restoring my grandpa's TL because he's working construction. So there was a lot of work that needs to be done, but there was no point of doing it because I looked in the trunk. It says all about what's gonna happen in the interior. But hope you guys enjoyed and tune in to the next video.